whole, but Pankajangri Prabhu, yeah, please accept my most respectful obeisances. It's so amazing, kind of being in Pankajangri Prabhu consciousness. It's so incredible. Thanks everyone for sharing. So I'll just share the memories, but on the last time in Mayapur, Pankajangri Prabhu was just chanting japa in the side park on the grassy area, and I noticed how dusty it was, and I just thought, and he was just chanting japa up and down, and I thought, that's a really good dust sweep. And I didn't know when I'd get back to Mayapur, and dust is so important, so I saw some of his footprints, and I have dust from his lotus feet. So that's what you got today. So maybe during Prasadam, I'll go around and I'll just sprinkle some on everyone. Yeah. So I have two memories. One I wanted to share. I don't know if you remember it in Nikunja when we were stuck for 6 weeks in the Lotus building when Mayapur flooded. We lived in the Goshala. We had to move to the Conch building because it was all rain flooded. So Ravasi and I and Nikunja and Shamalika were together, and Ravasi and I got kind of bored one day, and she said, let's go steal some Mahaprasad. I was like, yeah, okay, I'm game, let's go steal some Maha. So anyway, I went down, they had like these pink lamington cakes, and we bought one piece, and I stole another one, and it was sort of like what we were doing, we were just going to steal some Maha. And so half an hour later, one of the brahmacharis from the Maha shop came to our room and was like, knock, knock, knock on the door. Mataji, you took some cake. We're Nirvasi, we're like, no, you can take Maha. We were going with that, that old trick. No, it's okay, you can steal Maha. And he was like, got really upset though, because he would have to pay for it. And we're like, oh, this is getting really heavy, now. And so then another brahmachari came up and said to me, because I took it, I had to go see Pankajangri Prabhu the next morning. I had to go, and I was just like, oh, this is awful, I have to go see Pankajangri Prabhu about this pink coconut lamington cake I clearly took. And I just went into the Maha shop, and he was there, and he just had like the half smile for me, and I said, so about the cake, and he just looked at me and he said, and it really changed me forever, he just said, you know what you did. And I thought it was so amazing, to just never have to second guess or think that we're getting away with anything. It's just that I know if I took it or not, and that was the end of it. Handed over the 15 rupees and I was out of there. There was a really special instruction.